Ond a Rhys Kavanagh, oedd o'n effron fan yna, Kavanagh. Troi yn y cwrt. Simmons. Ocera Simmons ar yr gyd. Taro. Wel, cornel y postyn ar trawst. Werth yr ergyd y fanna. Ocera Simmons. O, Anderson yn llithro. Kavanagh. Kavanagh, mae o'n gyflym. Kavanagh, Ocera Simmons efo fawr wan ta. Ocera Simmons. Prawf i rym y Simmons. Simmons yn dal i fynd. O'r arbediad gan Turner. Mi gymodd i gyffyrddiad oddi ar y golwr. Cyble gora'r gêm hyd yma. I Ocera Simmons. Kirkman. Cyflymu gam hibio i Carol. Gosod i John Owen. Arneson yn ôl at Kirkman. Kirkman y le am y croesiad y fan hyn. Yr ergyd gan Evans. O, na chi gol. O, chwip o gol gan yr ymwelwyr. O, symudiad campus i lawr yr ochr chwith. Y croesiad gan Kirkman. A Jonathan Evans. Wel, am ergyd. Am gol. Flint dim. Aberystwyth. Anthony Stevens. Ar gic gornel. I'r Fflint, Harry Owen! Mae o ar fenthyg o ceic honna. Oedd hi'n syml yn y diwedd. Stevens ar gic gornel, Harry Owen. Wel, alla fo methu o fanna, alla. Y cliriad allan gan Beaumont. Simmons yn gry. Rwan ta. Melyn, dwi'n credu fydd lliw y cerdyn. Cerdyn Melyn y fan hyn. Nail Cerdyn Melyn i Billy Kirkman. A'r bachgen sydd ar fenthyg o'r Seintia Newydd. Yn gadael y cae yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ychwanegu ar derfyn y gêm. Hughes, derbyn y tafliad gan Beaumont. Hughes, gwneud yn dda i greu lle i gael y croesiad i fewn. Ocera Simmons, y pened allan at Simmons! O'r bediad campus gan Turner. Arbediad sydd yn sicrhau pwynt o bosib i Aber. Yr ergyd gan Ocera Simmons oedd hi'n mynd i'r gornel. Gwych gan Matthew Turner.
Lee, happy with the point?
In the end, yeah. I think there was one team trying to win the game in the second half. I think they were slowing the game down as much as they possibly could, and it backfires on you. We just made it too much of a tempo from second half. The goal was a great goal from their point of view. The volley was outstanding, but again they've had one shot on target and scored. It's a poor mistake from the defensive cross coming in, and then obviously our left side of our back five not seeing the man where the danger is. Other than that, other than a few counters, I don't think they cause us much grief. And again, as we said all the time, from set plays, we're a very, very dangerous team.
Overall, they had a couple of chances. We probably should have got the second goal before they went and scored. So, looking at that, yes, they had pressure in our second half, but if we get the second goal, I think it was game over. So the boys played really well today, worked hard, got a few new signings in who've come in and done excellent. Disappointed the free kick we give away. I don't think it was a free kick, which led to the booking, which ultimately led to the sending off, which I thought was really poor.
Pwynt da yn y diwedd, ond ie, mae siomedig i peidio ennill y gêm, dweud y gwir.